Good morning. Last video we were doing this type questions. See, actually we are doing third exercise of first chapter and we were doing extra questions. This time express 13.47 bar into P by Q form. See, this type questions we were doing last class. No? So you got some homework questions. Please check your answers. Video 6, you got 4 homework questions. You can check the answers. So how to convert this into P by Q form? So again I will give one example. Then today we do the new types. Please see. We first suppose it by x, because we have to find out its fraction form. Express this into P by Q form. So every decimal will have its fraction form. That we have to get. So what is the method? That first we suppose by x, then we name it number 1. Okay. Under bar, if 2 numbers are there, we multiply by 100. We have done this last class. If under bar 2 numbers are there, multiply by 100. Under bar 1 number is there, multiply by 10. Under bar 3 numbers are there, multiply by 1000. Like that. So multiply by 100 means what happens, directly? Multiply by 100 both sides. So it becomes 100x. See, directly when you are multiplying by 100 both the sides, it becomes 100x. Here what happens, this decimal will be shifted after 2 places. So it becomes how that you see, 1347, 1347, this decimal will go here, 0.47 bar again. Yes. So just we take 3 steps to complete the answer. Okay. So first you suppose by x, multiply by 100, because under bar 2 numbers, so multiply by 100, you get this. Now subtract. Subtract second minus first, this minus this. 100x minus x is equal to 1347.47 bar minus 13.47 bar. Okay. So 100x minus x, 99x. What is this minus this? 1334. So what happens, when you subtract this minus this, 47 bar gets cancelled. This minus 13, this much. We get the answer what? 1334 divided by 99. Yes, now you should check that. Can you cut it by 3? 3 4s are 12. 3 4s are 12. No, it's not going by 3. It's not going by 2. So that is the answer, this. So what is its fraction form? This is the answer. Clear? So last class I was saying that we have 2 types of questions. See, one question is like this, full bar, and one question is like this, half bar. So today we will do this second type also. So you can understand, you see, one question is of full bar and one question is of this. So today we start this question. Yes. So today we are doing new type. This is the second type. Yes. Express 5.67 bar into P by Q form. This is a question. R as rational number. It can be given this way also. Express this as a rational number. So what we do? Please see. Same steps. So first you should decide that is this full bar? If full bar is there, first type. If half bar given, only bar is on one part of that, so is second type. So in second type we take 4 steps. 4 steps. How that? and we get three equations. Please see. First you suppose by x. Now you see that how many numbers are outside the bar. Outside the bar, how many numbers are there? One number, right? Outside the bar, one number. Don't see this. After decimal part only. So outside the bar, how many numbers are there? One number. That's why what you have to do, you know? Multiply by 10. If it is like this, outside the bar, how many numbers are there? Two numbers. Then multiply by 100. Multiply by 100. You see the system. So, if outside the bar one number is there, multiply by 10. So, it becomes what you see, 10x. Because you are multiplying by 10, so this decimal will move here. This decimal will move here. So, it becomes 56.7 bar. This is second equation. Got? Now you see under bar how many numbers are there? One number. Multiply by 10 again. If under bar two numbers are there, multiply by 100. Three numbers are there, multiply by 1000. Okay? Now multiply by 10 because under bar one number. Multiply by 10 both sides, please. Always we write multiply by 10 both sides. Both sides. So what I get, you see now, because I have to multiply by 10 both sides, so 10 into 10, 10 into 10, 100, 10 into this, what happens, you know, this decimal will move here, right side, so 5, 6, 7.7 bar, this is third equation, this is the new thing. So whenever half bar question comes, we have to take three steps, first, second, not three steps, four steps, but equations 3. 1, 2, 3. Now the last step, the fourth step, what we do, you know? Subtract third minus second. Yes. Subtract third minus second. What I get? We get 100x minus 10x. Yeah, this minus this is equal to this minus this. 5, 6, 7.7 bar, this minus this, 56.7 bar, yes, clear? So 100x minus 10x, 90x, what this minus this? So I am getting 511, this minus this, 7 bar gets cancelled, so 7 minus 6, 1, 6 minus 5, 1, yes. What is x, you see, 511 by 90. Now you should think that can you cut it by 2? No, it will go by 2, it will not go by 2. Can you cut it by 3? 3 ones are 3, no. So this is the answer, please. So what is its fraction form, you know? 511 by 90. Got it? Yes. See more cases. Express 12.563 full bar. Miss here, one, not full bar, only on 63. So again, by seeing the question, you should decide that whether it is first type or second type. So this is second type. Why? Because if complete bar is there, first type. If bar is only on part of it, second type. Okay. So we take three equations. First, we suppose by x, yes. Number 1, equation number 1. Clear? Then you should see that how many numbers are outside the bar. Outside the bar, how many numbers? One number. So multiply by 10. Both sides. Multiply by 10 both sides. What I get? You see 10x. So this decimal will move here. 125.63 bar. Clear? Second equation. Now you should see that under bar how many numbers? 2 numbers. So multiply by 100. Multiply by 100 both sides. So what happens? 100 into 10x, 100 into 10,000x, 100 into this decimal will move here. 12563.63 bar. Yes, third. Now subtract third minus second. Always third minus second. So 1000x minus 10x. So this minus 10x is equal to 12563.63 bar minus 125.63 bar. Clear? So what is 1000 minus 10? 990. Okay, 0, yeah, 990 I am getting. What is this minus this? 12563 minus 125. Yeah, what we get? This minus 125. Because third minus second. 13 minus 5, 8. 5 minus 2, 3. 5 minus 1, 4. Yes. 1, 2, 4, 3, 8. So what is x? 1, 2, 4, 3, 8 divided by 990. Now cut it. 2 6 are 12, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 9s are 2 4s are 8, 2 9s are 18, 2 5s are 10. So what I am getting? 6219 by 495. Now it will not go by 2, so now you try by 3. 3 2s are, yes, it will go by 3, you see. 3 1s are 3, 3 6 are 18, 3 5s are 15, 3 2s are 6, 0, 3 7s are. If you cut two numbers directly, you must put 0 here. 3 2s are 6, 0, 3 7s are 21, 3 3s are 9. Yes. Again you try, can you cut it by 3? Yes. Further. So always we write the answer in simplest form. 3 6 are 18, 3 9s are 27, 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15, 3 5s are 15. So now it will not go by 3. So we stop there. Yes. Okay. So we completed both the types. So if full bar is there, first type. If half bar is there, second type. So now you can see the textbook questions, and I will give this type practice questions today again. Now you go to the exercise 1.3, question number 3. Express in P by Q form. See, now we are doing textbook questions. Express in P by Q form. The first bit. Now easily you can do the textbook questions. Yes. So we have done all extra questions. Now easily you can do the textbook, because in exam they can ask any question, not from textbook, not compulsorily from textbook. Okay. So that's why all these questions which we are doing extra are important. Yes. First you suppose by x. Number 1. Which type is this? First type. You should decide. Why? Because full bar is first type. So first you suppose by x, number 1, under bar how many numbers? 1 number. So multiply by 10. 10x. 10 into this, what happens? This decimal will move here. This decimal will move here. So 0.6. It will be like 0.6 bar. This is second equation. 0.6 means it is 6 only. Okay. Now subtract second minus first. 10x minus x. 6.6 bar minus 0.6 bar. 10x minus x, 9x. Because 10x minus 1x, 9x. 6 minus 0, 6. 6 by 9, 3 2s are, 3 3s are. I got the answer. Finished. It's easy question, you see. Okay, this was the first. Then second question, you see. 0.47 bar. Yes. This is the question. So see, is second type. Why? Because full bar is not there, half bar is there. So We first suppose by x. Number 1. How many numbers are there outside the bar? Outside the bar, one number. So multiply by 10. Outside the bar, one number is there. Multiply by 10. So 10x. So multiply by 10 means what happens? This decimal will move here. 4.04. It becomes decimal will move here. 04.7 bar. Second equation. Now you should see that how many numbers are there out under bar? 1. So multiply by 10 again. So 10 into 10, 100x. Then decimal will move here, right? 04, decimal is moved here, 7.7 bar. Yes. Now subtract third minus second. 100x minus 10x. This minus this. 047 means 47. 04 means 4. 100 minus 10, 90x. 47 minus 4, 43. 43 divided by 90. This is the second answer we got. Clear? Fraction. Can you cut it by 3 or any number? No. So that is the answer. Yes. One more bit is there, you see in textbook. Third bit. 0.001. Yes. Full bar. Okay. Yes. So again this is first type only, because the full bar is there now. We suppose it by x, number 1. So under bar how many numbers are there? 3. That's why directly multiply by 1000. So 1000x. When you multiply by 1000, what happens? This decimal will move here. So 0. This 0 actually no need to write, not compulsory. This decimal will move here. If any number is there, we write that. If starting 0 comes, no need to write. This decimal will move here. So 001.001 bar. This decimal is shifted here. 001 bar. This is second equation. Now subtract. Second minus 1, 1000x minus x. 001 means what? 1 only. 1 minus 0. Yeah. 001 means 1.001 minus 0.001. 1000x minus x, 999x. 1 minus 0 is 1. 1 by 999. See, this is the answer, that's all. 1000 minus 1, 999. So 1 by 999 is the answer. Clear? So today I will give some practice questions and answers. You can check in next class, in next video. Yes, these are practice questions. Express in P by Q form. So I am giving mix, first and second type, both. Okay. 11.516. Yes. Second question. 20.27 bar. 10.523 bar. 0.563 bar. 123.5 bar. So these are the practice questions and answers. You can check in next video. So we stop now. Thank you.